Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making stuffed peppers. Don't forget to wash your hands properly.
We've washed our hands, we've tied our hair back, we've got our aprons on, we're ready to go. To make the peppers, we'll need
Pepper,
one per person should be enough. Couscous,
water,
boiling water to make the stock, very good. Red onion, spring onions,
tomatoes, mushrooms, parsley, oil.
we need a baking tray, a sharp knife, a measuring cup, chopping board, a teaspoon, measuring jug, a mixing bowl, a frying pan and a saucepan. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. First of all, cut the peppers in half and remove the seed. Use the claw grip to cut into the pepper. Put 2 fingers behind the seeds and remove them. And then just tidy up with your fingers. That's all the peppers done. Just leave them on the side until they are ready to be stuffed. Weigh the couscous. We're looking for 150 grams. To make the couscous, you can either crumble the stock cube into the couscous and pour boiling water over, or you can make the stock in a jug, thank you, and then pour it over, which I prefer to do it this way. Could you mix it for me, please? Okay, okay. For 150 grams of couscous, we use half a liter of stock. Stir the couscous and cover it with a plate and leave aside for about 10 minutes.
Chop all the vegetables as small as you can. What layers is this all the layers we don't need?
That's right. You've peeled all the layers that are a bit hard and not very tasty, and you left the middle of the onion, which is really nice and tender. And next, slice and dice the onion. Again, using claw grip. Make the slices as small as possible or as slim as possible. This way you're going to end up with a lovely dice. Top and tail the spring onions. Cut off most of the green bit and leave the white bit. And then slice. Cut a bit of the stock off. Using the claw grip, cut the mushroom in half and then slice as small as you want or as small as you can. That's it for now.
Well, now I'm gonna put every food.
Add 1 tablespoon of oil into the frying pan. When the oil is hot, add the onion and fry for 2 minutes. Always use a wooden spoon to stir. When the onion begins to soften, add the mushrooms and fry for another 5 minutes. When the mushrooms are cooked, add the tomatoes and fry until all of the liquid, or most of it, has evaporated. Most of the liquid has evaporated, so the mixture is ready to go into the couscous. Mix the couscous with a fork. There you go, we're going to just...
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to fluff it up with a fork.
What do you have to fluff it up?
So it's not all put together.
mixing.
This is very hot, so we need to be very careful.
It's mixing.
We're going to add all the other ingredients.
What's mixing?
When you put everything together and it's all mixed together.
That was like a soft.
Can you add the spring onions for me? Yeah, just put this way. That's it. Thank you. Help me at least because I need to. Just need to add the chopped parsley. That's it. Okay.
It's messy in here.
That's
When we are recording, it's not.
Arrange the peppers on the baking tray. You put them in. There you go. Thank you. Just nice and gentle. That's it. There. Right, I'll put all of them. How many halves do we have?
6.
Okay. So we're going to use a teaspoon to fill up the peppers.
Yeah.
Nice
It's a
and
filling.
tight. It is a filling. That's right. Can you do that as well? Take a teaspoon. Oh, you can use this one this time. And take another half. And you can just put it in here. In that. So if you want to add to mine, that's not a problem. Wonderful. I'll nicely put
This
it in.
is mine.
No problem.
So I'm going to do mine now.
That's
This is
fine.
mine.
That's okay.
I want to put them to the bottom.
That's right. You can make them nice and full. It's very good. Bake for 25 minutes on 200 degrees until peppers are soft. The time is up. You can check on our peppers. Stand back to let the steam out. And just with a fork, see if the pepper is nice and soft. And it is, it's ready to come out.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Enjoy!